Feels really solid. It's actually a lot nicer than the one I used to have by new Trent. The one that I had was 2.1 amps on both USBs, but it kept blowing up my fuses, and it was about that big. So this is nice, a lot slimmer. I'll plug it into my Honda Civic here shortly, and I'll show you guys how flush it'll sit. And here's the cable, just like any other cable, USB, and then the other end, I got micro USB. Alright. So right now the Galaxy S3 charging in the dock is at 70%. It's 8:59. And I have the Nexus 7 on the 2 amp since it's a tablet, and it's at 33%. So I'm going to drive around maybe for 20 minutes and see how well it charges. Alright, so I arrived at my destination here, and it's playing Spotify here. Still playing. Let's check our battery status on the phone. 75%. And it's been about 15 minutes, 75%. Went up 5% on that 1 amp, so the battery was able to charge faster than I was using it. And, that's just Spotify running data on there, nothing major. And then here on the tablet, let's see, it's charging and it's at 37%, so another, it's either about 4 or 5%. That's really good. And the tablet usually charges slower. Even at the house, when I put both of them to charge, the phone will charge faster than the tablet. But that's really good for 15 minutes on the tablet, 5%, and about 5% on the phone. So